I love oranges.
I know, the oranges are great, especially the chocolate kind.
Yeah, I didn't know they even grew.
Yeah, lovely tree there.
Well, thanks for buying me it, by the way.
Oh, thanks for sharing it, it's nice.
It's alright, it's a friendly gesture.
Marcus wants something. You can't have any.
We'll only share it between us, I think. It's nearly Christmas.
Yeah. And none for Wilfred.
Oh no, none for Wilfred.
So that's where it's Tom's.
I know. So now we're on to something called formulae. Formula. So this is all about, if you have a formula, being able to apply it and being able to make formulas. And that's all there is in this chapter. So I'll give you the two examples of the two types of questions you can get, and we'll go through both of them.
Love it.
So maybe if you're told A equals BT minus F. Now that's entirely made up, that doesn't code for anything that I know of. But the sort of question you'll get is if you're told that B equals 3, T equals 2, and F equals, just to make it a little bit saucy, minus 5.
Oh.
You've been asked, what does A equal? So it's all about knowing what these things mean. So if you'd like to tackle that one.
Oh, I will. Well, we did about algebraic expressions before.
We did.
So we know that when they're 2 like that, they're times, so it becomes 3 times 2 minus 5.
Now there's a few rules here. You have to do this in the right order. If you did 2 minus 5 times 3, that wouldn't be the same. You have to put that in brackets and treat it as a thing. And then also, minus is what?
That's a positive one. It becomes plus instead.
That's two little mathematic rules that come together that we don't do a chapter on, but they come up a lot.
They do come up a lot. So we have 6, so do that one first, so you're a bit mess.
Yep.
And then minus becomes a plus, it becomes plus 5, which equals 11, and then you have to say that A will equal 11. You just leave it like that, you won't get it.
And that would be your full marking points. However, I did say there was two types of question they can ask.
Alright, I'm ready for the next one.
Okay, so give me a vehicle.
Alright, cruise liner please.
Cruise liner.
Yeah.
So, let's say it costs you £8,000.
That's quite a lot of pounds.
It is quite a lot of pounds. £8,000 to hire a cruise ship, plus £200 for every day you want to keep it.
That's actually quite a cheap cruise
That's
liner.
really cheap for a cruise ship.
We should do that.
I think we definitely should, but we can get it for free.
Oh
We
yeah.
can just
Yeah.
have a few words.
I like it.
But let's just say it's that, and you need to write out a formula for how much it will cost C, after X amount of days. So you have to write a formula for that.
You do. So starting, you should start with C equals something. That's what you're going to end up with.
Yes.
So you have your lump sum at the beginning, and that will never change.
So that's just a number. But then you're going to plus on something that will change it for every extra day. It's going to go up more and more.
So if you had 1 day, it would just be 200. If you had 2 days, it'd be 400. That's 2 lumps of it. So it's going to be a multiplication.
It is, yes. And it's going to be 200 because that's a fixed. It's £200 per day times the only thing that isn't fixed,
which is the days, and I think we should call that D.
Yep, D for days makes sense. A T would also be accepted as long as you explain. So for your full marks in the exam, you probably should say that C equals total cost.
Yeah.
Just to explain what your letters mean. D equals number of days.
Yeah.
So that is really cheap for a cruise ship.
Yeah.
So if we ever set up a cruise ship company, these are going to be our prices.
So get on that.
Yep. But yeah, this is it for formulae. We do more stuff in formulae in the next chapter, so look out for that.
Yeah. Wait, I see a chocolate lemon tree.
I wonder what that would taste like.
Lemons.